Live, this is One for the Record. I'm Diana, and today is May 17th, 2013, and here are your news updates for today. Let's first go into the E&E news, the energy news. ZDF Bureau Chief, very high radioactive dose of 65 microsieverts per hour in Fukushima City. Informed officials 3 months ago nothing happened until today. Many children pass by every day. Wow. Okay, let's move on. Fukushima, Japan. That was the U.S., Canada. Okay, nothing else new. Let's take this and move on to the watchers watching the world. And yes, I'm just reading this for the first time. Someone made a comment about that. Tropical storm Alvin dissipated. New low pressure system is forming. Let's see, hold on a second. Tropical cyclone Mahasin weakened and fully dissipated. Also, lava fountaining at Pavlov Volcano, Alaska. Earth-watching satellite Proba V opens its eyes to map land over and vegetation growth across the entire planet. Health is directly linked to the gut. 11 things that destroy the beneficial probiotic bacteria living inside us. Another moderate solar flare, M 3.2 from region 1748. CME detected. Earth and moon pelted by meteors. Impact causes bright explosions on the moon. Alrighty then, moving on. I just got off work and I'm out of my mind. Let's go to the Extinction Protocol 2012 and beyond. Washington burns and White House goes up in flames in latest Hollywood thriller White House Down. Moderate 5.1 magnitude earthquake ripples through Toronto, Canada. Heads up. Is a massive Cascadia earthquake on the horizon. 4.0 earthquake rattles residents in Los Angeles, California. Heads up. There it is. That's the third one. Now expect the big one. That's what I say. Everyone be ready. Be ready for anything. Magnitude 4.2 earthquake surprise residents in Canterbury, New Zealand. Alrighty then. Let's try the breaking news. I don't think I'll attach Dr. Deagle's report, NutriMedical report, EC, until Monday. Not sure yet. We'll see. I still only have 15 minutes to upload. I thought that would change by now. Or even get a comment or a response from Google/YouTube. Radioactive leak at Palisades nuclear power plant in Michigan found to be result of crack in tank. Heads up, that was 6 minutes ago off the breaking news coming out of RT. 55 dead, 14 missing after rainstorms batter southern China, authorities say. That was 19 minutes ago coming out of AP. Smoke from agricultural fires in Mexico reaches unhealthy levels in southern Texas, coming out of KHOU. Photo shows reported tornado near Graham, Texas on Friday. That's coming out of Rick Mitchell WX. Also, heads up, 1 hour ago, National Weather Service confirms 2 weak tornadoes hit Alabama on Friday. Today. This was reported an hour ago. Storm Chaser 4850. Okay, that's your breaking news. So, let's close this. So it's Friday. We made it. Hooray! I'm not at home. Just got off work. And, alrighty then. It is 5 days down. We made it. I want you to all be prepared for anything. I was outside on the way home. I noticed there were no stars. That's very strange for the Space Coast. Usually there's a lot of stars in the sky. So, I don't know. Something's on the horizon. Alrighty then. Take care. And I'll see you on the flip side tomorrow. I will attack Dr. Deagle, but probably not tonight.